Hello, this is Jessie of Jessie at Home, and this Stitchopedia video is going to show you how to make a little chain edge on your garter stitch. You know, with garter stitch, you knit every row. Just knit, turn, knit across, turn, knit across, turn, knit across, turn. All you're doing here is changing that very first stitch. To begin, you're going to start with your yarn in front of your needle, and you're going to slip the first stitch purlwise, which means you're going to go into that stitch as if you were going to purl. Now you're not going to purl, you're just going to slip it right off. Okay? Now you just move your yarn back to the back and you knit across. End of the row, turn. The yarn in front of the needle. Slip the first stitch purlwise, the yarn back, and knit across. End of the row, turn your work. Keep your yarn in front of your needle, slip the first stitch as if to purl, and then knit across. And that is all it takes to get this chain edging on your garter stitch. Thank you for watching.